If I say the word pom-poms, what comes to mind? Cheerleaders, football games, high school games. Pom-poms, the things they hold in their hand. But tonight we're going to do a trick with pom-poms, but not those kind of pom-poms. What I have down here on the table, let me pick them up for you so you can see them. I have a stick with pom-poms on it. You'll notice I have a purple pom-pom and a white pom-pom, a green pom-pom and a red pom-pom. You'll notice there's a long string attached to the purple pom-pom. So let's pull on the white pom-pom and find out what happens with that string. We're pulling the white pom-pom like this, you'll notice the purple pom-pom goes up. So obviously the purple pom-pom is attached to the white pom-pom. So now that we have the purple pom-pom and the white pom-pom are attached together, what about the green pom-pom and the red pom-pom? Well, we come over here and we find out if we pull on the green pom-pom, the purple pom-pom goes up. Now the question is, if the purple pom-pom and the green pom-pom are connected, is the red pom-pom and the green pom-pom connected? We pull on the red pom-pom and find out if the green pom-pom is connected to the red pom-pom. We let go of the red pom-pom, the green pom-pom goes up. Now, if we pull on the white pom-pom, we're going to find out if that's connected to the green pom-pom, since the purple pom-pom and the white pom-pom were connected earlier. So if we pull on the white pom-pom, the green pom-pom goes up, and if we let go of the white pom-pom, the purple pom-pom goes down. So now, we know that the white pom-pom and the purple pom-pom were connected, and the purple pom-pom, the green pom-pom, and the white pom-pom were connected. Let's find out what the red pom-pom is connected to. If we pull on the red pom-pom, you notice the red pom-pom goes up, and the purple pom-pom goes up in its place. If we let go of the red pom-pom, you notice that the green pom-pom goes down. We pull on the white pom-pom, the green pom-pom goes up. We let go of the white pom-pom, the purple pom-pom goes down. Now, what happens if we take and do this? Let's pull on the green pom-pom and pull them together like this. You'll notice that nothing happens except that the white pom-pom is connected to the purple pom-pom and the red pom-pom is to the green pom-pom, and nothing is connected into the center of either one of them. And that's called a pom-pom trick.